Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the privacy notice pop-up that keeps appearing in your Toyota vehicle. I recently bought the Toyota CHR 2025 and every time I started the car, this annoying pop-up would show up. After a bit of digging, I found out what causes and how to fix it. This pop-up appears because your Toyota account isn't connected to your vehicle. When you see this message, it means you are currently logged in as a guest. To fix it, just follow these simple steps. First, download the My Toyota app on your smartphone. You have to create an account or log in if you already have one. Then add your vehicle by scanning the QR code shown on your car multimedia screen. Once that's done, go to your car multimedia system, head to the settings, look under the current driver section. Make sure your Toyota account is connected. If it is not, log in with your Toyota account email and password. Then you will able to complete your car profile setup. There is one more important step you need to do. Otherwise, your profile will log out every time you turn off the car. To avoid this, go to the settings, select personal info, then turn on both the link key and link mobile device. This ensure your Toyota account profile automatically loads when you start the car. And that's it. Once your account is properly linked, the privacy notice pop-up will disappear for good. I hope this quick guide helped you out. If you found it useful, consider to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.